Here we have caymanasracetrack.com, caymanasracetrack.com/results_2009. This is the link to the page. That page link, this link is incorrect. Alright? Doing a little digging, I went to the Caymanas Track site. As a matter of fact, I went to the existing TOBA site and found the correct link. All we have to do is go to the content management system just to show you how easy it is to change this. Go to site pages, scroll down to external links, click that, and on the right hand side of the page we have the results and the URL, as well as workouts and the URL. I'm going to click results, and then I'm going to go to the link URL here. I'm going to type in the correct address, which is results/ and change it 2009 to 2010 since we're now in 2010. That's it. Click save. Similarly, let me just do the other one at the same time. Workouts. Click workouts. As you can see, it's not rocket science. It's very, very easy to know, update. But the system that we had to put in place that allows you to simply edit something like this and click save is where the bulk of the work went and the bulk of the time went. So here you'll see on the left that the links have now been changed. I'm going to go back to the site. I'm going to refresh the page because I've made changes. And now if I go to, let me just close this old one. Now if I go to at the races and click on results, here are the correct results. So in the future, let us say 2011 rolls around and you need to update the Caymanas Park results for 2011. That's all you need to do. Go to the content management system, edit the link to change the 2010 to 2011 and click save, and you're finished. So whereas before it was a matter of editing a page and uploading something. Right. Another thing I'll show you really quickly is the media room section. Now before, your articles were listed like this. You had a fairly difficult, I thought, way of looking through these different articles, as well as there's no real way to edit this content. Each article has its own page. So here we have todream.html. Let me just click on that. And here we have a rather unattractive page, which is just todream.html. Has no reference whatsoever to TOBA, no link to go back to your home page. It's just an article. With the content management system that we've built, here we have all of the articles listed on the left, right? Actually, it's 2 pages worth of articles, right? Just to show you. And here we have an article, A Time for Hope and Dreams. Alright, I'm going to click on that article. And on the left hand side, we have all of these fields that are editable by you. You can change the publication date. You can change the author. The author may have a website address or an email address. You can add that in. You can change the synopsis or introduction to the article. And you can edit the article itself down here. Right, that includes cutting and pasting the article in. Once you've done all of this, you simply save it and it updates the site. It's as simple as that. If you want to add a new article, simply click on New. You can specify whether it should be featured on the home page or not. You put the title in, the publication date, simply by clicking on a little calendar that pops up. Type in the author's name and so on. So it's as really as simple as that to maintain your website. But all of this had to be custom created. This is not something that existed off the shelf. So going forward now, the responsibility is now with TOBA to ensure that this system, as simple as it is to use, this system is used now to update the website. It's not the old way of updating files and updating and uploading files to the server. Those days are gone. What we're going to do is we're going to set aside a separate address. So we're not going to delete the old site. I will provide the relevant persons within TOBA with a link to the old site files so that the information can be pulled from here if necessary and then added to the relevant section within the content management system so as to update the new website. What we will be doing going forward is that if there is anything, certainly during the process of updating the pages, because TOBA has to now become accustomed to and familiar with using this system, as easy as it is. If you find that something isn't working as it should, or you've come across an error, any sort of error that pops up on the page, let us know. There's a warranty period of a few months. If you find anything, we will address and correct that issue as quickly as possible. So that is it. That's just a quick overview. I just wanted you to see exactly what it is that we've done. There's a lot to be covered here, and we can discuss how the training aspect of things can go. I will send you an email with respect to that. But if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks much. Bye bye.